Now Santa Claus is dancing. Oh, diba? This is my friend Jerry. It's very cool and funny. Funny, funny, funny person. Agoy, mapapasubo si Kuya Sarang nito. Oh, diba? He dancing like, who's that? Who's that dancing? Si Michael Jackson. Idol, Idol Sarang, nasaan ka na? And I will watch. It's me, Jeline. For eyes, thank you so much for eyes. Don't put in private your video, ha? My friend, Jerry Sarap. Santa Sarap drinking sound blew away. Oh no. What for lunch, my friend? My lunch may be here in McDo. You give me already for my lunch. Thank you so much. Oh, diba? This is my friend Jerry. Is dancing now. Oh yeah. I like dancing. Sis Angelita Aka, good morning sis. Merry Christmas, and this is the last month. This is the month of the, this is the last of the month. Oy, Idol Sarang, daan na pala ako sa iyo ah. Touch by touch. 5 people, thank you guys. Maybe after my lunch, I'm just go out walking in the seaside, just alone and muni. What is your dinner, my friend Jory? Have an excellent December, Julian, in the company of your loved ones and friends. Here in chat, blessings. Danny, Jerome, thank you so much. You too have a blessed day, and to your family, Merry Christmas in advance and Happy New Year. Tingnan mo si si Jerry, oh. Jerry, nice, perfect costume you do. You do live like this. I have also this one, Merry Christmas cup. You heard? Jerry Sarap is drinking like this. Kolok. He's drinking like a boiling water. Kolok. Natawa talaga sa kanya ba? You're so very funny. Go. I'm just watching here.